Identify the reagents which can bring about the following conversion. Parafluorotoluene to parafluorobenzaldehyde. When toluene is treated with CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride, in the presence of carbon disulfide, you will get benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Etart's reaction. This reaction is called Etart's reaction. So when toluene is treated with chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon disulfide, you will get benzaldehyde. Now what is given? Parafluorotoluene should be converted to parafluorobenzaldehyde. So what is the name of this reaction here? Etart's reaction. Okay, this is first equation. Now let us see second one. In second one, allyl alcohol should be converted to propanol. What is propanol? CH2 double bond CH, CHO. This is propanol. Okay, so what is allyl alcohol? CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH. Now let us see this equation. CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH. This is sp3 hybridized carbon atom bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol should be converted to propanol. What is the structure of propanol? CH2 double bond CH, CHO. Prop in al, propanol. So how can alcohol be converted to aldehyde? That is oxidation. For oxidation we should use mild oxidation agent like PCC or PDC. PCC and PDC will convert alcohol to aldehyde. Carbon-carbon double bond will not get affected here. With PCC and PDC, carbon-carbon double bond will not get affected. So allyl alcohol will be converted to propanol in presence of PCC